Hello Mac users, this video is dedicated to help you in removing this SearchGenie browser hijacker. Currently it attacks many Mac computers and Windows computers, but today I will specifically mention the problem in Mac computers and Mac browsers that may be hijacked by this virus. It's called SearchGenie and it's currently being spread through this pop-up window that is called install.searchfreet.com. So additionally, the pop-up actually suggests you to enable push notifications by clicking on the allow button. But I strongly advise you not to click on this button, because otherwise, if you mistakenly click on that, you will keep permanently receiving the multitude of such offers in the form of pop-up windows in the right bottom part of your screen that will tell you to install this SearchGenie browser hijacker. So the pop-up actually tells you to add this extension for your Google Chrome button. So there's a button here, it says add to Chrome, and it all leads you to this Chrome Web Store. And the SearchGenie is available there for downloading and installation. However, I strongly advise you not to do that, because this SearchGenie is not able to provide you with decent search results. Instead, it gives you a lot of sponsored links that lead to many suspicious places in the web, which are truly not genuine. Not genuine search results that you have been expecting. So basically, you should immediately ignore these SearchGenie pop-ups, and what you should do is the following. Let's say if you have added this extension into Google Chrome, here's what you do to disable it. You go to Google Chrome settings over here, and you click on more tools, and you go to extensions. Here you may find this SearchGenie extension enabled. So you first disable it, and then you click on remove it. So you need to remove it immediately to make sure that your search results are genuine and provided by Google Search and not by some SearchGenie. Now, I also recommend you to scan your Mac computer with the software called Combo Cleaner. It's a powerful security application that may essentially boost up the performance of your Mac computer. And it's an antivirus that may protect your Mac from possible virus intrusion attempts. So here's the website from which you may download it. It's called combocleaner.com. Click on the download Combo Cleaner button and install the program. After the installation, the program will update its antivirus database. So after that is done, click on Start Combo Scan button and wait until some unwanted applications are identified by Combo Cleaner. It might be that it will take some time until all these items are located that are causing some stability issues for your Mac, or it might be that immediately you will see some threads found so far. Well, so I recommend you to wait until the scanning is over and to remove the infections that might slow down your Mac. But speaking about SearchGenie, summarizing the information we have provided, it's a fake search engine. It is not able to provide you with search results that are actually relevant. So removing SearchGenie is what you should do right away. Thank you for your attention, and you may find some good links in the description to this video. So please subscribe not to miss anything important. Bye.